it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor falls, and the major lifts. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on a roof, her beauty and the moonlight overdrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. You say I took the name in vain. I do not even know the name. But if I did, well, really, what's it to ya? There's a blaze of light in every word. It doesn't matter which you heard. The holy or the broken. I did my best, but it wasn't much. I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I've told the truth, I didn't come to fool ya. And even though it all went wrong, I stand before the God of song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah. Surely there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not a cry that you hear